Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera black screen. iPhone camera app is frozen or missing option. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, there are a few things you can try to fix an iPhone camera that is showing a black screen or is frozen. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after power off your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is close and reopen the camera app. So open camera and then close it again, and after this the next solution is force quit the after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. If you haven't update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So after this the next solution is, so guys, check for a hardware problem. If the above steps do not work, there may be a hardware problem with the camera. Contact Apple support for further assistance. So guys, if the camera app is missing from your iPhone, from the home screen, go to settings, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions. So turn off content and privacy restrictions here. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.